Hello, welcome to today's immigration tidbit. You've probably heard about the EB-5 visa. Okay, this is the one that is the investment visa, and it generally costs over $1 million. And unfortunately, a lot of people think a couple things that are incorrect. First, they think they just transfer $1 million here to the United States from some account, wherever they come from, to the United States, and boom, that's the investment. That is wrong. A transfer of money from outside the United States to inside the United States is simply that. It's a transfer of money. There's no money at risk. If you transfer money here and you want to get it out the day after, you can. You want to close the account, you can. It's no problem. It's different than if you apply at a restaurant or buy a restaurant, for example, and the restaurant fails. What happens then? Well, if the restaurant fails, you've lost your investment money, you've lost your capitalization. The money's a risk of being lost. That is an investment. So that's the first thing. And then next, even if you go through all the hoops and whistles and everything that's needed, the EB-5 gives you a conditional green card. That means it is only for 2 years, and it means that after 1 year and 9 months, you have 3 months then to file the petition to remove the conditional residency. And the reason they do that is to make sure that you didn't pretend to invest, that everything was legit, and on that particular application, you submit everything you need in order to try to get the permanent green card. Which brings up another question: how long do you have to have the investment in for? And many times it's near 10 years, at least, because of all the time it takes to do the EB-5. There's request for evidence, there's the petition to remove the conditional green card, so there's lots of stuff that has to be done. So if you happen to have a company outside the US and you're thinking of the EB-5, if you could keep that company, invest in one here, do what's called the EB-1C, which is the multinational manager visa. It's unconditional, meaning you don't get just 2 years, that you don't have to hold near the amount of money to invest, and it's all around a much better way to go if you can swing it. The only other issue with the EB-5 on this particular video is that you could find regional centers which require less investment, less work, and so forth, but your money for sure is going to be gone. And it's for big projects already approved. So you might want to consider that depending on which way you want to go. Okay.